Clemente. Today I'm here to give you the tutorial to the beautiful dance Champagne Promise, choreographed by Tina Argyle, and the music by David Nail, called Champagne Promise. It is a 32 count, 4 wall, 1 restart, 1 tag dance. Thank you so much for coming to my channel, and I do hope you enjoy learning with me, and subscribe, share and like. All right, let's get started. I will turn around with your weight on the left leg. We're going to do a weave, starting crossing in front with the right leg. Cross front, left side, cross the right behind, point the left slightly, an 1/8 turn. Now we're going to take cross front, step back with a 1/4 pivot, and a shuffle step. So from the top, we have cross side behind, point, cross a 1/4 shuffle step. Moving right along from here, we're going to do a rock recover with the right leg, rock, recover, and we're going to do a shuffle step, half a turn, to face 3 o'clock. I've got my left leg free. I'm going to repeat it. Rock, recover on my right, and turn over my right shoulder, shuffle step. So from the top, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Rock 1, 2, shuffle 3, and 4. Rock 5, 6, 7, and 8. All right, and the next set of 8 going on, we're going to step back diagonally and tap, step the left back diagonally and tap, step the right back and tap with a little bit of a settle in there. It's called an anchor, and then you're going to do 3 walks forward, 1, 2, 3, and then a shuffle step with the right foot forward. So let's go from those step taps. We have a right leg goes, step tap, left tap, right settle, walk, 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 shuffle step. All right, let's do the counts. We have and is the step, and 1, and 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Let's go from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. Weave, 2, 3, 4, cross behind, shuffle step. Rock right, recover, shuffle, turn to the left. Rock right, recover, shuffle, turn to the right. Step, step, anchor, walk, 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 step together, step. Beautiful. Now we're going to finish the last set of 8 here. I have got my left leg free. I'm going to rock, recover forward on my left leg. Rock, recover. I'm going to do a shuffle step over my left shoulder to face 3 o'clock. I'm going to continue with another shuffle step, starting with my right, turning over my right shoulder to face 9 o'clock. Step together, step. And then I'm going to end it with a sailor step, which is the left leg goes behind, right leg goes side, and then a step slightly, an 1/8 of a turn on the wall there. So, going on, let's have a look with that. We have left foot goes, rock, recover, shuffle step, behind, side, front. And I'm facing kind of the diagonal, not all the way, so I can make a nice weave to start, so it gets a little bit of a side-to-side motion in it. All right, from the top, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right leg, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Rock back, recover, shuffle, half a turn, rock back, recover, shuffle, half a turn, step tap, step settle, walk, 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 step together, step, a rock, recover, shuffle step, sailor step. Yes? Good. All right, let's do wall 2, facing 9 o'clock. We have a right leg free. Cross left side, right behind. Point the left, cross the left, back on the right, shuffle step. Rock back, recover, turn over your left shoulder, and rock back, recover, turn over your right shoulder. Step, tap, step, tap, step, anchor, walk, walk, walk. Step together, step, rock, recover, half a shuffle to face the back, another half a shuffle to face the front. Sailor step, behind, side, eighth. Behind, side step. Wall 3, here we go. Front, side, behind, point, front, quarter, shuffle step. Rock back, recover, shuffle over the left shoulder, rock back, recover, shuffle over the right shoulder. Step, tap, step, tap, step, anchor, walk, 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 shuffle step. Rock, recover, half a turn shuffle, and a sailor step. There we go. Now we're on wall 4. Here we go, ready, and front, side, behind, point, front, back, shuffle step. Rock back, recover, over the left shoulder shuffle, rock back, recover, over the right shoulder shuffle. Step, tap, step, tap, step, anchor, walk, walk, walk. Step together, step, rock, recover. Left shoulder, keep going, left shoulder, and a sailor step. And there we are, we went all the way around. Now, what about this restart and tag? Well, it happens on wall 8. So we actually are here. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And after 22 counts, we do a little tag, and then we restart. When we restart, we'll actually be facing 12 o'clock. So here we go. This is wall 8. We have cross, side, behind, point, cross, back, shuffle, step. Rock, recover, shuffle. Rock, recover, shuffle. Step, tap, step, settle. Walk, walk, walk. Here is the tag. It's just walk, walk. So you're going to add 2 more walks. So I'm going to take it from the step taps. Here we go. We have step tap, step settle, walk, 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 walk. And then here's the restart. Cross, side, behind, point, cross, pivot, shuffle, step. Let's do that again from the points. So I'm on wall 8, but I'm doing my step taps here. We have and 1, and 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, point, 1, 2, 3, and 4, rock, recover, shuffle. You get it? Yes? All right, beautiful dance. Don't forget, just tap that little cog. You can slow everything down. Please, if you haven't subscribed yet, do subscribe. I would love that. And have a great, great weekend. Bye.